Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. Today's gonna be a little short one today. But anywho, yeah, it's gonna be short. I'm going out tonight, going for some drinks. I haven't done that in a while. In crypto news, Bitcoin nears 95,000 amid corporate buying and ETF inflows. Guys, Bitcoin ETFs are getting bought up like crazy. Actual Bitcoin on platforms are actually going getting less and less and less. As you will see, I believe in this article. So Bitcoin surged close to 95,000 to the 95,000 mark by significant corporate acquisitions and robust inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs. Notably, firms like Tether, Cantor Fitzgerald, and SoftBank launched 21 Capital, a new Bitcoin investment vehicle led by Strike's Jack Mallers. Additionally, PayPal announced plans to offer a 3.7% yield on its PYUSD stablecoin for US customers, aiming to boost adoption. So, from my understanding, the 21 Capital, it's not traded just yet, but analysts are saying that if you get this, it's like buying Bitcoin at $1. So I'm definitely going to keep talking about 21 Capital until it gets released, and I will hope that you guys will look at it as well. So moving on. Well, I might be off. Hold on. Yeah, this is the article for the stable coins. Yeah, see. Now we might be able to see. Oh, of course you got to pay for it. Oh no, it's an actual. Blah 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 blah. I'm not going through all of this. It's like XXI, I believe. I believe it's XXI will be the ticker for the 21. What is it called? What is it called? Come on. 21 Capital. 21 Capital. All right. Moving on to Wall Street. Is this it right here? All right. So Wall Street rallies as tech stocks lead gains. Major U.S. stock indexes posted significant gains, with the S&P 500 rising 2% and the Nasdaq 100 climbing 2.8%. The rally was driven by strong performances in technology shares, particularly chip makers, as investors digested earnings a flurry of earnings reports and anticipated further developments in the U.S. China trade relations. And then this is for the last part of what I read. All right. Last but not least, Forex markets react to shifts in the U.S. trade policy. The U.S. dollar experienced fluctuation. I cannot talk today as Forex traders responded to the White House softened stance on tariffs and indications of potential easing in trade tensions with China. Despite a brief rebound, traders maintain a bearish outlook on the dollar, reflecting ongoing uncertainty in currency markets. So before we get started, let's just go straight into. No, not that one. We can look at this one. Let's just look straight at the Dixie, which is the dollar. In other news, I added some time frames and I deleted some time frames. I had a long talk with ChatGPT. Actually, last night I couldn't sleep. I had a long talk with it, and I asked it, based on my strategy, what time frames would work best together. And they basically, and ChatGPT basically said the 6 hour, 12 hour, 2 day, 3 day, and 2 weeks. Now, the 2 day and the 3 day is completely different. Like, I've been playing around with it today. Now, I do like it better. It's completely different. Just watch. Just watch. See this price structure right here? But it don't look too different right now. But yeah. So this is what I will be doing. I'm just looking for, the best and easiest way to stay profitable. I'm not worried about scalping. I'm not worried about the short-term money, anything like that. I'm a swing trader, and that's what I'm gonna be. Sound like Waterboy. All right. So we see the Dixie, blah 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 blah. Now let's look at S&P 500 on the 3 day. Today, SPY broke through, which is the ETF of S&P 500. Broke through right here, just like it did on there. And this is on a 12 hour. It's on a 12 hour. That was good. That was a good flag right there. Double bottom and everything. All right. Now let's look at the Nasdaq. I think that's DJI, I believe. Basically the same. This one looks cleaner, to be honest. Broke that trend line. How does it look like on the? Yeah, that's a good trend line. It's a very good trend line. All right, now let's look at some stocks. Let's look at some stocks to get into. Basically anything, like, as you can see, everything is green. Everything is green. What is this? Clearly something that I forgot I put in here. Yeah, everything is green today, guys. Everything is green. Let's look at a should I do trend? What? No trend? Wow. All right. I'm sorry, y'all cannot see this, but let me just do a quick. Let's get double bottom. Tickers. Oh wow, you give me over 100. I don't need that many. Average volume, blah 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 blah. Guess I should have did this, guys, before. So, earnings. Who was that? Who was that? Was that PayPal? Somebody just had earnings today. Somebody just had earnings today. Stock earnings. I like this little website. I'll bring this over for you guys. I like this website. So who was it that went crazy today? Man, what? It was a tech company. It was a tech company. Was it last week? Oh man, I feel like I'm letting you guys down. I feel like I am letting you guys down. What was today? It was Google. 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 All right, let's look at Google. Let's look at Google. Google shot up. Shot up. Cause I think, yeah, look at that beautiful trend line on the 12-day, on the 12-hour double bottom. Boom, boom. What is the 3-day? Man, you can't get no better than this. You cannot get no better than this. Bring that sucker down like so. Clearly gapped up. Clearly gapped up. And you can clearly see the double bottom. You can see double bottom, double bottom. And then you draw that W. Price is definitely touching this in the next couple of days, next week or so. So since we have this up, I kind of want to put that in my thing. All right, let's see what else should we look into. Excuse me. Let's look at IBM. I know that's tech, so it's probably up. IBM. Ooh. No. Sorry, Daniel. Daniel son. IBM is not looking too good. It's not looking too good. What about what's another tech? What's another? I think Synergy. Is this Synergy? SYF. SYF. Oh, Synchrony. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I made some bad decisions with this when I turned 18. All right, so another good trade. Another good trade. Another good trade. You know, you got the 3-day like that. Boom. Double bottom as well. So all we waiting is for a price to break this trend line. And we can call it a go. Or should I move the trend line? Something like so. To be honest, I think that's the trend line right there. Yeah, that's the trend line right there. And it broke out. It broke out. Let's see, one more. let's do Procter and Gamble, or however you say it. PG and Intel, NTC, NTC. Intel just been looking crazy. Procter and Gamble. So it is Gamble. Procter and Gamble. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. However, did bounce off this 200-day EMA. Would it gap down? Nah, we don't like that type of stuff. It could be a little bounce coming. It could be a bounce coming. Could be a bounce coming. All right, so on to crypto. Let's look at a wonderful Bitcoin. See that flag? That's starting to flag. Bitcoin is just looking very good, very good. Top analysts are claiming, I think, like 138 or something like that. Let me see if I can do this the right way. I think I did this on the last video. Is that 130? It's very close. It is very, very close. Then I put I just can't believe how accurate this was. I just can't believe it. Just can't believe it. So, since Bitcoin is doing good, almost everything else is doing good. Sui and Jupiter was going well today. Sui and Jupiter. Sui looks like a retest is coming back off this fair value gap. Let's look for a red candle. MACD up. Yeah, it's looking like Sui might come back down to here and then bounce back up. What about Jupiter? We all know Jupiter is going straight here to 57 cents. Straight to 57 cents. Also, I will be trading crypto on Kraken. I will be trading on Kraken. What's going on here? I will be trading on here. I will be trading on here. Just because, Robinhood doesn't have everything. Yeah, just because Robinhood doesn't have everything that one would like to trade, especially, meme coins and whatnot. I wouldn't hold meme coins. However, I will trade them. What else did I see? Ooh, this got to get changed around. Yeah, there we go. All right, Forex. Man, Forex has been rough this week for swing trading. Forex has been rough this week for swing trading. I made a huge mistake last week. I think I was like up 250, basically almost to $500. Then it just reversed on me. Just reversed on me. And I've been Was this? I think it was one of the. I think it was this one. No, it wasn't that one.